Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably thinking, well, what is going on here, right? Because I'm not in my usual filming space and I usually upload a bunch of tutorials, and it's been a long time since I've seen you guys, and a lot has happened. Honestly, guys, I have so much to update you guys with. Starting with, I got a new job. I was previously working at Sephora as a licensed beauty advisor, and now I am a social media coordinator for a brand called EXO Cosmetics, which is owned by Yvette XO. If you know her, she is a beauty influencer and she has her own makeup brand. I also help with their clothing line, Act of Faith. So I do social media content for those two brands, and I love my new job. I feel so very blessed to have this job because honestly, working at Sephora was just changing me as a person in a very negative way, and I just didn't feel like myself when I worked there. I it just working, nothing, no shade to Sephora, but it was a place where I didn't feel like myself. It wasn't a job that satisfied me, that brought me passion, life. Like it just didn't. It sucked life out of me. If anything, I just couldn't be there anymore. And so I've been working with Blanca on and off for 2 years since I've moved to LA, and well, I live in OC now, not really anymore now, but I'll get to that point. But I've been working with her on and off for 2 years, and it's just been amazing every time. And so now I work with her full time. So it's just amazing. And I also just have like an amazing friend group. I really love my friends here. We have known each other for about a year now, and I'm just like so thankful for all of them. I also am moving because my job is like closer to LA in like the valley. So I need to obviously move closer because I currently live in OC. So as you can imagine, I've been working in the valley from the OC, and it's just like that drive is just hectic. So I've been looking for a place ever since I got that job, and I finally got a new job or a new place. And so I'm moving out with my roommate Emma, and we are going to move into a place near both of our jobs, which is just amazing. And we're moving today. So I thought I'd bring you guys with me and just vlog. I will definitely be posting more vlogs. I have my weekends free now with my new job, so I'll be able to definitely do more vlogs so you guys can get to know me. Um, on a different level than my tutorials. I will still of course try to upload tutorials here and there, but it just won't be as much as it was before. I definitely want to have different content for you guys, not just tutorials. But yeah, I'm really excited for this new chapter in my life. It is crazy. I feel very blessed and fortunate to be able to do a lot of the things that I do. And yeah, so this is what my room looks like now. If you have seen my room tour before, you know that my room normally does not look like this, but I'm moving today, so this is what it looks like right now. I still have to like pack up like little things like this, which is not going to take too long. But I just need more containers. I'm waiting for my friend Alani to get here to help me with that. Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. My mattress is on the floor because I took my bed frame apart yesterday, and I have all these boxes here. This is like where my filming setup was, and yeah, I just have almost everything packed up. So right now I'm just going to get myself together because I look crazy. So I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna start doing the other little small packing stuff, and Emma should be here with the truck soon, so then we'll start heading out. Okay guys, so when you walk into the place, here's the door. So the first thing you're gonna see is the living room space. Sorry if I'm out of breath. Moving is just so tiring, but anyways, you can see this is gonna be like the living room space here. Very nice amount of space for the living room. And then on this side we have the kitchen. So we have really cute light fixtures. We have cabinet space, gas stove oven, microwave, fridge, a nice kind of like island style countertop. And then we have a space here where we can probably like do like a little nook for like, eating and whatnot. And then Yeah, that's what we have over here. This is gonna be Emma's bathroom slash the guest bathroom, but I wouldn't mind like my guests like going to my bathroom. It depends on what she's comfortable with. This is Emma's bathroom, and then that's Emma's room. So we won't go in there. And then this is my bedroom. So yeah, you can see there's just a lot going on right now, but you know, this is what happens when you first move into your place. So I have a lot of more like closet space in this place, which I'm really excited about because I'm going to be using most of that for like storage. So a lot of the things that I have had like kind of sitting out, I'll be able to put away. So hopefully my room can be a little bit more like put together instead of just like having stuff that doesn't need to be out in my room. It can just be like put away in the closet, you know. And then yeah, and here, oh, and I love the mirror closet, by the way, because my other place was too small to have like a nice big mirror, but this one already has that for me, so I don't really need to buy another one. But yeah, so love that. And then here is my bathroom. So I do have the master bathroom or master bedroom that has a, you know, bathroom connected to it. The electricity is not on right now. I need to turn it on, but I will also show you guys like what it looks like with it on, of course, but just to give you a quick view. This is my bathroom. I really, really love it, guys. It's nice and spacious, and here is my shower with my toilet. I love it, guys, and I'm just so excited to get settled in. I definitely want to like change my room aesthetic, so I think I want to do something really fun, cute, maybe colorful, a little bit too edgy. So I definitely want to change my style. My style was like definitely more simple, but I kind of want to play around with things. So I'm definitely going to start looking for new furniture pieces. I'll probably will keep some of the same things. Like I'll keep my bed frame. I'll keep this little bookshelf and a few other items, but there are some things that I definitely want to change so that I can definitely have like a more unique style aesthetic to my room that just feels more like me. So I'm really excited about that, guys. And I will take you along on that journey as well with everything that I buy and how I set it up. And it'll be like a fun little thing to do with you guys because I definitely want to do other styles of content. So definitely fixing up my room and like changing things will definitely come soon. I also wouldn't mind doing like shower bathroom content now because this bathroom is way better than my last place. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I will keep you guys updated, but for now, we have everything moved in. It was really tiring, but I need to go make copies of our keys really quick, and I'm probably gonna grab something to eat because a girl is starving and dehydrated, and I need to like make sure I'm taking care of myself. But yeah, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so today I think is November 29th, if I'm not mistaken. But this is my new place. I finally have kind of settled in, not settled in as far as like my things, but I'm finally home. I did take a break because I went home for Thanksgiving, so that's why there's like a bit of a gap in my vlog. But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you like a little update of like how far I've gotten with like my place, and I'll definitely take you guys along the way of me like in my process of like furnishing everything because I definitely think I want to like switch up the way like my room looks. For now, I put like this paper along the wall because my window is there and I don't want people to like see in my room. So I put that there for now, but I will replace it with like blinds or curtains soon. But yeah, here's just a little update of my room. So I still have some boxes I need to work on. Got my bed together. Steph and Alani helped me put my bed together, which was really nice of them to do. And yeah, so I have my bed here. I don't know if I want to keep it here, but for now it's right here. And then I have my TV all set up with my Wi-Fi and whatnot. I was watching Teen Mom, and I have like just miscellaneous things in here. I will find a place for that soon. And I did set up my closet, which I'm really happy about so far. I still have some work to do, but I'm just so happy that I have more storage in this place than I did my last place. But I just have some of my stuff I don't really need out here. I have my dresses in the back, have my, you know, jackets, my jeans right there. I did kind of try to color coordinate because I just love when my closet looks like color coordinated. So I have my colors back here, my blacks, grays, browns, white, and then I have my bookshelf that I had in my old room here, and I'm gonna put stuff in there soon. Just not sure what I want to put in there yet. Just have to wait and see until I have other parts of my room situated. Have my shoes set up along here, more stuff there. Yeah, so I'm just really happy so far, guys. I'm so excited. Here's my bathroom. I know I didn't get to show you guys with the light on, I don't think. But yeah, so this is my bathroom. It looks also a very hot mess, but like I said, I'm gonna try to get everything situated and put together. So right now, this is what my bathroom is looking like. I love my bathroom, guys. I just love that I have a bathroom in my room as well. But I bought some things today from Target, so I'm definitely gonna do some drawer organization right now, and then I'll show you guys like kind of like when I'm done, like what everything looks like. I'm not sure if I'll need all of this stuff or if I need more stuff, so we'll just kind of see along the way. But yeah, I'm so excited to put finally all this stuff in here away with this stuff that I just got today. So really exciting. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now and I'll just update you guys when I'm back. Hi guys, so today is the 1st of December. Yesterday you guys saw that I was going to organize my bathroom. It was actually the 30th of November, not the 29th. But anyways, I wanted to update you guys on like how I organized my bathroom so far. And yeah, it's looking really good already, guys. I'm so excited. There's still some things I need to get, but for now I'm okay with how it's going so far. So this is my bathroom again. You can see I cleared off a lot on my counter, and a lot of the bags that were here are gone now because I emptied them out. I still have this situation going on. I have not put my shower thing up only because I'm not even sure if I want to keep this one. This was just something temporary until I actually got the one that I wanted. I didn't end up using this, and you'll see why, because it didn't really fit under the sink. But yeah, and then I have extra towels that I bought, other things that I bought, so that's just gonna stay there for now until I figure out what to do with it. And then in my drawers here, I did put those like organized little racks in here, so they do stack as well, which is really good. So this one I just have like my flossing stuff, my toothbrush and my toothpaste, some whitening strips. On this side I have my skincare because I feel like this is, you know, stuff I'm gonna grab for like first before I do my hair, so I just put that in there. Also have some makeup wipes in the back. I have like this heating patch, random heating patch, Nair for your face. I have my mouthwash, extra deodorant, Tide to Go stick. I have this, you know, to make your bathroom smell nice after you go number 2. I have this from Dr. Dennis Gross. These are their extra strength daily peels, which are really good. So yeah, this is what my top shelf is looking like. Under this, or sorry, my first drawer. Under this, I have what is it called? Cotton. I don't know what they're called, Q-tips. I have Q-tips under there, and then I also have just like a little bit of makeup. There's still a lot of stuff that I need to add. Like there's still some skincare in here that I need to add. There's still makeup in here. I need to add like chapstick and like a nice natural gloss. But this is like my go-to everyday kind of makeup if I just want like something quick and cute, you know, nothing like no full glam, just very natural, you know, just want to add mascara or something like that. But yeah, I definitely need to add like a few more things. And then yeah, so I love that these are stackable. That those things below are something I wouldn't necessarily grab all the time, so that's why they're below. But yeah, and then in the next drawer I have this here for my hair. Again, still stuff I need to add, but this is what it's looking like for now. And I have like all of my brushes. I have my like extra hair ties. Under here I have bobby pins. And here I have like headbands and my like scrunchies, have my straightener there. And here I have this really cool, like, I don't even know what you would call this. I forgot what it's called, but it just, you know, turns, and have some more scrunchies in here, rubber bands, some clips. I have this really huge scrunchie, and then some hair products there. I need to grab more hair products, but for now, this is what it's looking like. I have a little bit of skincare in here as well. I have my hair dryer back there, lotion. I have a lint roller there. I have all my feminine products right here. I love that they're stored like this, like just really, you know, organized off to the side kind of a thing. And then I have my hair gel. On this side, I have like my cleaning products and then also toilet paper. Since it's just me, I won't be needing a ton of toilet paper. I can always just go get it really quickly. So, and then I have like cleaning supplies. I have my lotions and extra perfumes down here. More Q-tips right there. So yeah, still more stuff to add. And then as you can see, there just was not enough space to put that extra clear bin to stack it because of this. This was like in the way, so that's why I couldn't stack it on top. But yeah, so there's that. And I used this little plastic guy to store like my perfumes. I might get a bigger one eventually, because I still have other perfumes that are stored away that I need to unpack, but for now it's gonna be in here. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I still need to buy like little trash cans, so for now I've been using like this Target bag. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks so far. And I will continue to update you guys on how my organization goes, but I'm really excited to finally settle in soon enough, and get everything situated.